Make gok. Use this recipe to make a batch of your own ooey-gooey gok. Making gok is a simple process that will provide children with hours of fun. Follow these steps to create your own batch of stretchy, gooey, and slippery gok. To make gok, gather your ingredients. In order to make gok, you will need the following ingredients: Elmer's glue Water Borax, found in the laundry departments of stores. Food coloring. Mix the glue and water. Combine 2 cups of Elmer's glue and 1/2 cups of warm water in a small container or bowl. Add the food coloring. Choose your favorite color of food coloring and add it to the glue/water mixture. Stir the mixture after you have added the food coloring to spread the color. Mix the borax and water. In a different container, combine 1 cup of hot water with 1/2 tablespoons of borax. Combine the 2 containers. Add the contents of the 2 containers together and stir the mixture very well. You should begin to see the gok take form and solidify. Use your gok. At this point, the gok is in top shape and ready to be used. Remember to store your gok in an airtight container to prevent it from drying out. Since this is such a simple recipe, the whole process could be made into a family activity for children of all ages. So enjoy watching your children play with your homemade gok or jump in for some fun yourself. Caution: make sure that children do not swallow any borax.